in the arms of the angel. Fly away from here, from this dark, cold hotel room and the endlessness that you fear. You are pulled from the wreckage of your silent reverie. You're in the arms of the angel. May you find some comfort here.
Hi, I'm Diesel Dave. Will you be an angel for a diesel pickup? Every day, diesels all across this great country are affected by not having a home. They're begging for help. And that's where you come in. Go to the website on your screen and join the Omega Truck giveaway right now. For just $5 per entry, you'll help the Omega find its forever home. Make an order on dieselpowergear.com and you'll receive your items, as well as entries to win this lonesome truck. Right now, there's a truck that needs your help. And your order says, I'm here to help. We thank you. The Omega thanks you. God bless.